Good afternoon. My name is Bonnie Skinner. I'm a student at Liberty University, and I will be discussing a new technology artifact for my technology implementation project that I would like to incorporate into my Academy of Health Professions course here at the Forest Technology Center. Part of this implementation project involves finding technology that students and teachers can use during virtual and hybrid learning that we have had to work with during this school year during the COVID-19 pandemic. So to begin with, one of the ideas is to be able to create this 21st century CNA design that would involve a lot of simulations and activities that students can try to do in the virtual and hybrid environment, where we have simulations that can help simulate learning for them in real life settings. So one of those technologies is you can see behind me, which involves a nursing and a monitor and some simulations and scenarios. One of the new technologies we would like to implement is updating our scenarios, because the current scenarios that are available with our program, there are only two of them, a healthy patient and then the patient that you can see on the monitor behind me, which is a severe asthma patient. So in order to encourage a more real lifelike learning environment for our classroom, we would like to have some more simulators and things that students can work with to try to practice learning in settings that would be real for them. Some of the other technology we have incorporated this year have been online using patients with the emojis that you can see. We have a couple scenarios where the students can click on different things that they can interact with at home, such as the clipboard. The blood pressure cuff would give them a blood pressure reading, and we try to make this as realistic as possible, where it looks like they're in either a hospital room or a doctor's office setting, or in this case the patient has just arrived on an airplane and has the possibility of having COVID, and so again the student can click on various things to look for blood pressures and different types of things that they would want to know about their patient. So the other simulation that we would like to talk about during this session that we would like to implement is a new training platform that's under development for realistic scenarios that students can benefit from during an interactive environment where they are virtual, and it will include best practices for nursing assistants. And this is not something that has been developed, but is currently under development and is one of the new technologies that we would like to implement. So many of the technologies are based on simulations that we would try to help create for the students to help their learning in a virtual or hybrid situation during this time of COVID, and also to help in the future of their learning. So in the Forest Center we have many programs, and there are various programs that could benefit from having new updated technologies that would help during hybrid and virtual learning, such as these simulations. So other programs would benefit from simulations for auto mechanics, aviation mechanics, drafting, and other real-life learning situations. So this is an example of what could benefit this program, which is Academy of Health Professions. Thank you for your time, and have a good day.